Okay, we're on the roof. There's a cast iron vent pipe we're going to enter through. This is a septic system. And we're going to try to make it into the septic tank. And dropping down, when I drop to the bottom, we'll zero out. Although it's not a long run, we're talking maybe 15 feet. And that's the bottom, 13 feet down. Picture, zero the camera. Looks like we got cast iron piping still, typical corrosion and scaling. Clean off the camera. Just a little. Okay, that's the bathroom water running down. See it right there. Looks good. Bar so good. A little turn. That's a spider web. 8 feet towards septic. And there's our septic going in. Bring it down. I'm going to snap a picture of that. Another picture. So we're in the septic tank. Obviously I can't see shit in there, so we're underwater. Excuse my language. So